Howdy, partner, and welcome to another tip in the Wild West of Software Project Management series. My name is Oren Feinstein from Pine Ventures Solutions, and today's tip is about resource allocation. I hope you enjoy it. In your project plan, you're going to have the set of functionality that you as the project manager are responsible for delivering with your team, as well as the timeline and the project budget. This project budget usually comprises of technology costs that might be third-party license fees or cloud costs, and the people costs, which are the salaries of your employees, as well as the costs for any associated contractors. When it comes to resource allocation, the first thing that you want to do is have a very good understanding of your average technology costs per month. This will let you figure out how much budget you have remaining for any people that you need to deliver on the project. When you put together the team, you're going to want to have a good balance of employees as well as contractors. This is in case there's any budget changes that happen along the way during the course of the project, as well as if you have an expertise gap in your particular team with your employee base. This is where you can get a contractor that might be a specialist in database technologies or CSS optimization and good UI design. You want to have a good understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of all the people that are part of your team so that you can delegate tasks in the most optimal way. You don't always want to give tasks to people based on their strengths because you might run into a situation where people burn out. You also might get a situation where people feel like they're not learning and growing, and you might get into a situation where you have a silo and only one person is the expert on a particular piece of code. What would happen if they go on vacation and you have a critical bug? Or even worse, what would happen if that person leaves your company? What are you going to do as the project manager? My final piece of advice in this tip is that you should always have at least 2 people on your team that are familiar with any given piece of code that you are responsible for. This is so if someone goes on vacation, you don't need to call them. You've got backup, you have a backup system in place, and a well-balanced team that will be able to help when someone is off. Hey, thanks for watching today's tip. If you liked what you learned today, please like, comment, or share this tip wherever you call your social media home. If you or someone in your company is interested in one-on-one personalized coaching sessions, please feel free to contact me. Until next time, keep leading your team and generating value. I look forward to seeing you again. Farewell, partner.